So we've got this shaving machine right here, and it says applicable to the whole family. No nicks or cuts, body trimming for men. That sounds really good. Soft ceramic blade for close smooth trimming. 100% waterproof. LED light and mirror reflection to avoid scratches. And it's rechargeable. Let's see what's inside. There we go. So we got a stand, a charging stand with a USB-A to connect the operation manual and the trimmer, which is quite small and slick. As you can see, it looks quite good. There's the ceramic blade. Let's see if it works. 100% battery. It looks like it's locked. It's good that it's locked. Your kids can't use it, which is really cool. I think I found how to unlock it. You just long press the button and it starts working. Nice. And if you long press it again, you also have a light. Quite neat to see your beard trimming better, which is good. And you also have like two modes, like normal, faster, and off. So to unlock it, you just hold it until it starts working, and to lock it again, you just hold down the button until the light turns on and then off, and it's locked. As you can see now, it's not locked. And then on, off, now it's locked. Cool. Another thing to mention is that in this bag here, let's take it out. So you have this stand, charger stand, then you have this cable, and you have some oil to oil the head and a small brush. So that's everything that it comes with it. So let's use this machine to do a contour here. As you can see, it's not very loud. I have another one which is way louder. So this one sounds really okay compared to that one. And let's also turn the light on. Oh yeah. Way better with the light. I say it's a pretty good job. Let's turn the light off. What I really like about this is that it doesn't pinch your skin, so you can't really feel like nothing. It's really smooth on your skin and nice. I would definitely use this on my armpit and maybe down as well. I have tried a lot of them and they still are not good enough. They still pinch the skin, and then you'll have like problems and stuff. But with this one, what I feel on my neck here is really nice, smooth, and it doesn't catch the skin. It's really cool what they've done with this one. Right, now let's rinse it a bit to clean it off and then put it to charge.